Welcome to the Science India quiz. Answer these questions on India's scientific achievements and enhance your knowledge. Get ready to explore the brilliance of Indian science. Let's begin. Which scientist is known as the father of India's space program? Vikram Sarabhai is known as the father of India's space program. He established ISRO and led India's space missions. Who was the first Indian to travel to space? Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel to space. He flew aboard Soyuz T-11 in 1984. What is the name of India's first interplanetary mission? Mangalyaan, also known as Mars Orbiter Mission, was India's first interplanetary mission. Which Indian mission landed on the moon's south pole in 2023? With Chandrayaan 3 landing on the moon, India became the first country to land on the moon's south pole and the fourth to land on the moon. Which Indian scientist pioneered India's nuclear program? Homi J. Bhabha played a key role in India's nuclear development. Who developed the Cresco graph to study plant growth? Jagadish Chandra Bose invented Cresco graph to measure plant growth. What was the first satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta, launched in 1975, was India's first satellite. What is the full form of ISRO? ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Which Indian rocket is called the workhorse of ISRO? PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, is known as the workhorse of ISRO. It has been used for multiple satellite launches. What is the name of India's first AI-based weather forecast system? India's AI-based weather forecast system is Meghdoot. Which physicist won the Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery in light scattering? C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize in Physics for discovering Raman effect. Which Indian physicist developed the white dwarf limit? Subramanian Chandrasekhar developed the white dwarf limit, also known as Chandrasekhar limit. It is the maximum mass a white dwarf star can have before collapsing into a neutron star or black hole. What was the name of India's first nuclear test conducted in 1974? Smiling Buddha was India's first nuclear test. What is the name of India's first satellite based navigation system? Navik, Navigation with Indian Constellation, developed by ISRO, is India's own satellite navigation system. Who is called the Missile Man of India? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who played a key role in India's missile development, is known as the Missile Man of India. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier? INS Vikrant was India's first aircraft carrier. What is the name of India's first COVID-19 vaccine? Covaxin, developed by Bharat Biotech, is India's first COVID-19 vaccine. What is the name of India's first supercomputer? Param, developed by CDAC in 1991, is India's first supercomputer. What is the name of India's first nuclear power plant? India's first nuclear power plant was established at Tarapur in 1969. Which Indian scientist made contributions in wireless communication? The answer is Jagadish Chandra Bose. Which mission is India's first human space flight program? Gaganyaan is India's human spaceflight program planned to send Indian astronauts to space. Which Indian satellite is dedicated to studying the sun? Aditya L1 is India's first sun study satellite. What is the name of India's first nuclear submarine? INS Arihant is India's first nuclear submarine. Which Indian mission is dedicated to studying the moon? Chandrayaan is India's lunar exploration mission. Which Indian scientist worked with Einstein on quantum statistics? Satyendranath Bose worked with Einstein on quantum statistics, leading to the Bose-Einstein condensate theory.